Live your life while you have it. Life is a splendid gift. There is nothing small in it. How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. Were there none who were discontented with what they have, the world would never reach anything better. I think one's feelings waste themselves in words. They ought all to be distilled into actions which bring results. Let us never consider ourselves finished nurses. We must be learning all of our lives. Nature alone cures. What nursing has to do is to put the patient in the best condition for nature to act upon him. Rather, 10 times, die in the surf, heralding the way to a new world, than stand idly on the shore. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.